Awesome. Okay. So this is your dashboard for the prospecting agent. To get here on the left sidebar of HubSpot, you go to sales and then you can go to prospecting agent. Takes you right here to your overview tab. To set your agent up in your selling profile, you'll go to agent setup in the top right corner that I just clicked on. And then you can see all the different selling profiles that are already set up. So for testing purposes, we're just going to set up test selling profile, and then we'll just have the date. You can have a description here to help guide your agent a little bit better, add some goals as you'd like, describe what you want the agent to do. It kind of just helps the agent learn a little bit better. But down here, you'll have all of your selling information. So anything from a website that you want to analyze, you can add it here. Then you can see what your company sells, what your value props are, pain points, products and services that you want the agent to sell, industries that you sell to, and then personas or jobs that you do target. So we're just going to click next. So since my inbox isn't ready to send emails with the agent, I'm going to select a user that I know does have their inbox connected. So we're going to select Paul. As you can see, status enabled there. And then we can just click next. Here, you can select what your call to action is for what your agent is sending out in emails. So you can select book a meeting. So you can have your HubSpot meeting link here. You select what user you want it to go to. You can select the type of meeting as well. So let's just do a 15-minute meeting link there. And then you can also attach any HubSpot documents that you want the agent to include in the outreach. And then same with any URLs that you want to add there as well. Here you can select or set what kind of outreach options you have. So something super important to go back to, we keep mentioning the semi-autonomous outreach. So you are in the driver's seat. Something very important here is to always review before you are sending. I highly recommend not having send automatically set up for when you are having your email approval, because you're always going to want to check, make sure that there's no errors in whatever outreach is going out. Down here, you can select the agent tone. So you can use a preset tone that is listed here. So you have professional, helpful, witty, formal, and optimistic. Whatever is the tone that you typically use in your outreach, make sure to select that style. You can also use your brand voice here. So it'll match to your company's sales email brand voice and tone. So if you want to use that, make sure to select that option. And then finally, we have review and confirm your agent setup. So always make sure that you're reviewing everything. Obviously, you have the option before to check before it sends anything out. But here as well, just make sure that you're checking all the setup and that it all is set up correctly.